Assalamu alaikum students, welcome in Mathematics Point. Today I am here with chapter number 14, Volume and Surface Area of Prisms and Cylinders, exercise 14a, question number 3. Now move towards the book and look out the question. In question number 3, we have the question: for each of the following cuboids, find the volume and its total surface area. You can look at the question that we have different shapes in which we have to find out its volume and surface area. So by using the formula of volume and surface area, we will find out the volume and surface of different shapes. Okay, in question number 3, figure A, we have the cuboidal shape. You can see that in which we have the length, width, as well as length, breadth, as well as the height of this cuboidal shape. So this is the length, okay, this is the width, and this is the height. Now by using the formula of volume, we will find out the volume of this cuboidal shape. So now here we just write down the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now we have to put out the values. The length that we have is 6 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter, and height is 10 centimeter. Now we have to multiply all the terms. 6 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 10 for 80, and now we have to multiply the unit as well, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So it will become centimeter cube, okay? Because all the centimeters have 1 power 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. So we have the volume is 480 centimeter cube. Now we have to find out the second thing, that we find out its total surface area. Now for the surface area, we have a formula on the book. Total surface area is equal to, I'm just going to use the same place. Surface area is equal to 2 into, first of all we have to write down the formula, 2 into length multiplied by breadth in plus length multiplied by height plus breadth multiplied by height. This is the formula that is given in your books in page 345. Okay, now we have to put out the values. 2 into length multiplied by breadth, length is 6 and breadth is 8. Then length multiplied by height, length is 6 and height is 10. Then plus breadth into height, breadth is 8 and height is 10. So now we have to multiply the inner terms to 8 is, sorry, 6 8s are 48 plus 6 10s are 60 plus 8 10s are 80. Now we have to add up the terms inside the bracket, okay? Inside के bracket जो भी terms है उसको add कर लें. 48 plus 60 plus 80, this is equal to 188. अब to bracket के साथ multiply हो रहा है, तो इसको multiply कर दें. That is 376. And unit is centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the question number 3 part A. Now we have to solve with a similar formula. We have to find out the volume as well as the surface area of all the shapes one by one. Okay ji, now we have the shape B of question number 3. Again we have a cuboid shape in which we have the length. This 7 centimeter is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height of the shape. So again we have to write down the formula to find out the volume first of all, and then we find out the total surface. So to find out the volume, we have the formula. Volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now write down the length of the shape, that is 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter multiplied by breadth is 12 centimeter and multiplied by height, and height is 5 centimeter. So now we have to multiply the term. 7 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 5. So we have the answer, that is 420 centimeter cube. Always the length unit of the volume is centimeter cube, ठीक है? because we have a length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, so centimeter 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 is equal to centimeter cube. Now we have to find out the surface, total surface of the this cuboid sheet. So we have to write on surface, or rather you can write on total surface of the cuboid. So formula is 2 into length into breadth multiply plus length into height plus breadth into height. Now we have to put out the values. 2 into length is 7, so 7 multiplied by breadth is 12 plus 7 multiplied by height is 5 plus 7 into 5 plus breadth into height. Breadth is 12 and height is 5, so we have to multiply 12 into 5. Now we have to multiply the terms that is inside the bracket. 2 7s are 14, 4 1 carry, 7s are 7 8 84 plus 5 7s are 35 plus 2 5s is 10, 0 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 6 60. Now add up the terms that is inside the bracket. 84 plus 35 plus 60, this is 179. So we have to multiply the solution by the 2 according to the formula. So we have the answer 358 centimeters square. Okay, and why it is centimeter square? Because we have a centimeter of the length as well as a centimeter of the breadth. Suppose we have the breadth 12, so centimeter, so centimeter will become centimeter square. That's why in the answer we have centimeter square. Now we move towards the third figure. Okay, in the figure C, again we have a cuboid shape in which we have length that is 120 millimeter, the width is 10 millimeter, and the height is 96 millimeter. So again we have to write on the formula for the volume. In the volume we have to multiply length multiply by breadth multiply by height. So here we have to put out the values. We have a length in 120 millimeter, then breadth is 10 millimeter, and height is 96 millimeter. So now we have to multiply three terms. 120 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 96. So this is equal to 115,200 millimeter cube. Okay, we have to write on the power, that is millimeter 1, power 2 and 3. So altogether in the multiplication power will be added. If their base are same, so it become millimeter cube. Now we have to find out the volume, surface area. Sorry, not volume, surface area of cuboid. Okay, so here we have the formula. 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. So we have to put out the values. We have a length that is 120 into breadth that is 10 plus length is 120 into height that is 96 plus breadth 10 into height that is 96. So first of all we have to multiply the terms that is inside the bracket. 120 multiplied by 10, 1200 plus 120 multiplied by 96, this is 11520, then 960. Okay, then after that we have to add the values, all the three values, and we have the term 13680. Okay, now we have to multiply by the 2, so we get the total surface area of the cuboid shape. So this is 27,360 millimeters square. Now move towards the part D of the question. Okay, so now we have the figure D, part D, in which again we have a shape. This is the length. Okay, rather they are mentioning this side and this side. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. So we have to write down the values in the formula. So now the formula, as we revised in 3 questions, this is the 4 one. So formula is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So we have to write down what the length we have, 1 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is 1 by 2 centimeter. So first of all we have to solve this mixed form. सबसे पहले mixed form solve करेंगे. 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 2 और 1 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, न्यूमिनेटर का 1 इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा. 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 सेंटीमीटर, 3 by 2 सेंटीमीटर multiply by 10 multiply by 1 by 2 centimeter. So you have to cut down. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So now we have 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 1 by 2 centimeter. So 3 5s are 15 by 2 centimeter, and we have 15 divided by 2. So this is equal to 7.5 centimeter cube. ठीक है. So this is the volume of question number D. Now we have to find out the surface area. So this is 7.5 centimeter cube. और हम इसको मिक्स फॉर्म में भी कर सकते हैं. 15 2 7s are 14 minus 1. So we have an answer 7 whole 1 by 2 centimeter cube. ठीक है, आप मिक्स फॉर्म में भी कर सकते हैं. Now we have to find out the surface area. ठीक है. Now for the surface area we have to write down surface area formula is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. Now we have to put out the values. The value of length is, okay, we have a length that is 1 whole 1 by 2 into breadth, and breadth is 12 plus again one length is 1 whole 1 by 2, and height is 1 by 2 plus breadth, that is 1 whole 1 by 2. So denote 1 whole 1 by 2. Breadth we have to 1 by, breadth is 10 and height is 1 by 2. ठीक है. So अब मिक्स फॉर्म सोल्व कर लेते हैं. 2 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2 into 12 plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 1s are 2 2 5s are 10. So 5 1s are 5. We have two simplification here. 2 1s are 2 2 6 are 12. So next is 2 into 6 3s are 18 plus 3 1s are 3 2 2s are 4. न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, डिनोमिनेटर से, plus 5. Now we have to take the LCM. We have to multiply here. LCM is 4. 4 into 18 as well 4 into 5. ठीक है, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो आपके पास क्या होगा 1. 18 into 4 is equal to 72. 72 plus 3 plus 20. Now we have to add up the term. 72 plus 3 plus 20. So this is equal to 95 by 4, and we have what, 2 outside the bracket. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So now we have the term 95 by 2. 95 divided by 2 is equal to 47.5. 47.5, and we have a units in this centimeter square. So we can also change this point in mixed forms. Okay, we have a fraction that is 95 by 2. So 95 divided by 2. To convert the answer in the mixed form हम इसको divide कर लेते हैं. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 1. So mixed form में हमारे पास आंसर क्या होगा, 47 whole 1 by 2 centimeter square. So this is our surface area. Now we have to move towards the part E. Okay, in question number 3 part E, Okay, we have again a figure and we have to write on the formula. In the formula we have this one is the length, rather it will be this side or this side. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. So we have to put out our formulas in the values in the formula. So again the formula is volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So we have to put out the length is 5 by 8 centimeter, breadth is 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter, and height is 3 by 8 centimeter. Now first of all we have to solve this mixed form. 5 by 8 centimeter multiply by, okay ji, multiply by 5 ones are 5 plus 2 6 7 by 5 centimeter, and the last is 3 by 8 centimeter. Now we have to simplify. We have to multiply 5 7s are 35, 35 3s are 35 multiplied by 3 is equal to 105. So we have to write down here volume is equal to 105 divided by 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5. So this is equal to 320 centimeter cube. Now 105 we have to try 105 divided by 320. So the simplification form is 21 divided by 64 centimeter cube. Already it is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert in the form of decimal or any other form. Now this is the volume of this part. Now we have to find out the surface area. Okay. For the surface area again we have to write down the formula that we have. Surface area is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. So here we have to just put out the values को put कर देते हैं. Okay, so now we have to consider the book length हमारे पास है that is 5 by 8 into breadth हमारे पास क्या है, मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में है, चाहे तो मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में लिखें, चाहे तो डायरेक्ट आप इधर कन्वर्ट करके लिख लें. देन प्लस लेंथ हमारे पास है 5 by 8 और हमारे पास हाइट कितनी गिवन है 3 by 8. देन ब्रेथ हमारे पास है 1 whole 2 by 5 और हाइट हमारे पास कितनी गिवन है 3 by 8. ठीक है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 5 into 8, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई टू 5 1 से 5 6 7 by 5 प्लस 5 3 से 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 is 64 प्लस 5 by 8. इस मिक्स फॉर्म को सोल्व कर लिया मैंने, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 by 8. ठीक हो गया. अब हम आगे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके. 5 7 35 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 5 40 plus 15 divided by 64 plus 5 3 is 15 divided by 8 is 64. ओके जी, अब हम कर लेते हैं इनका सिंप्लीफाई. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं एलसीएम लेके. ओके जी, वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई इट. आई जस्ट सॉल्व इट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द कैलकुलेटर. वी हैव टू पुट आउट द ब्रैकेट पुट करें 35 डिवाइडेड बाई 40 फिर ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस 15 divided by 64 bracket close, then again put out the bracket 15 divided by 64 and close the bracket. ठीक है, मैंने ड्रैग कर लिया, मेरे पास आंसर आया है. सिंप्लीफाई करके 34 divided by 43 divided by 32. अब इस 2 की इसकी कटिंग कर लें. 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 6 12. So 43 divided by 16. 43 divided by 16 हमारे पास पॉइंट्स में आंसर आया, दैट इज 2.875 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब इसको अगर आप करना चाहते हैं मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में तो हम इसको मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में भी शो करवा देते हैं. हमारे पास है 43 और ये डिवाइड हो रहा है किससे 16 से, तो हम देख लेते हैं. 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 हमारे पास है 48 ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. 16 2s are 32. इसके बाद से ट्रैक कर लें 3 minus 2 1 and 4 minus 3 1. सो मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में आंसर हमारे पास होगा 2 whole 11 by 16 centimeters स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द शेप. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द लास्ट पार्ट एंड दैट इज द पार्ट F. Okay, ji, now the question number part F. Again, we have the length that is 1.5 centimeter, height is 0.7 centimeter, and we have the breadth that is 3.9 centimeter. Again, we have to write on the formula that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, ji, question number 3 and 4 are similar. In question number 3, we have to find out the volume as well as the surface area, whereas in question number 4, they skip one of the four things and we have to find out that by putting the formula. So after that, we have to solve the question number 4, but not all the parts. We have to solve some specific 1 to 2 parts of the question number 4. I hope so after watching the video question number 3 and after solving all the parts of question number 3, you will be able to solve all the question numbers 4 by yourself. Okay, so here we have to put out the values. So length is here 1.5 centimeter, breadth is 3.9 centimeter, and height is 0.7 centimeter. Again, we have to multiply the terms. So I'm using the calculator. 1.5 multiplied by 3.9 multiplied by 0.7. So the answer is 4.095. Okay, 4.095 centimeter cube. So here we're done with the volume. Now we have to find out the surface area. Again, for the surface area, we have to write down the formula that surface area SA represent the surface area is equal to 2 into length into height plus breadth into length into breadth plus breadth into height. So here we just put out the values. 2 into length is 1.5 into height, that is 0.7, then length is 1.5, breadth is 3.9, and again at the end breadth is 3.9 and height is 0.7. So we have to put out the values. ओके जी, मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. हमारे पास जो सरफेस एरिया की यूनिट होती है दैट इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अगर आपके पास सेंटीमीटर मिलीमीटर है तो मिलीमीटर स्क्वायर, बट इन फॉर्म ऑफ स्क्वायर, जबकि वॉल्यूम की हमारे पास क्यूब में होती है. ठीक है, 1.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.7 वो कैसे होती है वो मैं आपको अभी दोबारा से क्लियर कर देती हूँ. Then next is 1.5 multiplied by 3.9, so it is equal to 5.85, and the next is 3.9 multiplied by 0.7, so it is equal to 2.73. Now we had to add up the terms. 5.85 plus 1.05. So the terms inside the bracket product is equal to 9.63. Now we have to multiply the product with the 2. So we get the answer 19.26 centimeter square. So this is the answer of your question number 5 part. Question number 3 part F. ठीक है, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर हमारे पास कैसे आता है, यहाँ से देख लें आप. आपके पास 2 इंटू लेंथ हमारे पास कितनी थी 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट हमारे पास कितनी 0.7 सेंटीमीटर, प्लस लेंथ है 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ आपके पास है 3.9 सेंटीमीटर, प्लस ब्रेथ है 3.9 सेंटीमीटर, और हाइट हमारे पास है 0.7 सेंटीमीटर. अच्छा, जो भी मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ पे हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है, सपोज हम देख लेते हैं दोबारा से. 1.5 था मल्टीप्लाई 0.7, 1.05 सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, प्लस नेक्स्ट 1.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3.9, सो हमारे पास होगा 5.89 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सेम इज दैट आगे भी. और अब आपके पास एडिशन में आपके पास कोफिशिएंट सॉल्व होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स की पावर सेम रहती है, और सेम हमारे पास हो तो हम उनको ऐड कर रहे होते हैं, तो ये आपके पास सेम फॉरवर्ड होगा. सो दिस आर डन विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.